The pace of change is moving faster and faster. Business and governments are constantly navigating uncharted territories, and so are the people they serve. Today's leaders need to play an important role to help build awareness of how others are responding to global forces and signals of change, so they can learn, adapt, innovate and grow with a clear sense of purpose. Smart leaders know that significant change never happens in a vacuum. We need to create partnerships with business, society's leaders and the youth of today, the people who have the power to affect change. We also need to actively foster a community of people who seek a platform to make that change happen. We've come together, Sydney Metro, UTS, Google and Tobias, in an amazing event which draws on the talent of tomorrow and the transport and technology experts of today to design better futures.
It's really important for us to do two things. First of all, it's about understanding the ideas and how we need to shape our future. Second of all, it's about exposing Sydney Metro to our future design talent and be able to have them experience the same kind of problems that we face day in, day out, so that they can see the work that we do in future.
I think human-centered design is the way we should go, because it's great to have ethereal ideas about what you might be able to do, but it's actually what do people want? How do they feel about it? So if you can engage everyone in the community, if you can synthesize all of those, you're going to get yourself a really good product.
I think it's really important that students get involved because it's our future. We'll be the primary users of Metro, we'll probably be using it a lot. We'll be adults when the Metro opens.
So right now we're about to actually prototype and test on one of the judges. So that will be actually really fun and exciting, and seeing if our concept is successful or not. And then in the end we get to pitch it to the judges, and fingers crossed we win an award.
The world is transitioning fast, and these students are going to be ready to take on the world in the broadest possible capacity and solve the broadest kinds of challenges and work in extraordinary ways together.
It's really exciting facilitating this event because we have these fantastic multidisciplinary teams drawing knowledge from all across UTS, from different disciplines. We have health, we have BCII, plus all of the Sydney Metro people come and throw around ideas and steal from each other and just build something really big and fantastic.
The first thing in designing for the future is to accept that there is not one future, and you really need to keep kind of cognitive flexibility to think about as many different things that might happen.
It's all about getting different perspectives and going through a formulaic approach to design, making it a very prescriptive thing to diverge first, generate as many ideas as possible, and then start converging on an idea that is going to solve an actual problem.
Having people from different walks of life and different backgrounds allows us to have a wider set of ideas and actually challenges a lot of the assumptions and different thought processes that you might be having about a certain problem.
And trying to test with people whether the modelling makes sense, and using the prototype to make sure our concept and ideas are valid.
Being able to tap the minds of very smart people in that millennial group is fantastic, because they're going to drive everything that happens on this planet. Everything you care about on all time scales are going to be driven by them. You better talk to them now.